Do you know? Did you know then who she was?
Nagpakilala po siya sa amin as the Chief of Staff of the OBP po.
Chief of Staff of?
The Office of the Vice President.
Ano naman ang connection niya, if at all, sa DepEd?
Hindi niya po, wala po siyang sinabing na connection niya with the DepEd.
Okay. Ngayon naman, Mr. Witness, tell us what transpired, if you recall, of that meeting sometime in September.
They
of,
asked po about the liquidation process po nung cash advances as well as kung ano po yung mga supporting documents required.
And anong sagot?
Tinanong
nila kung anong mga requirements.
They were referred po
Hindi nila alam ang mga requirements para sa...
They clarified po kasi may mga agencies din po na nagka-clarify sa amin about the requirements ng joint circular since it is very technical po.
At ano naman ang sagot ninyo?
They were referred po by Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras to the joint circular for the specific requirements.
And nung sinabi ng COA ICFAO, sinabi ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras ang requirements. Ano ang reaction nila? Ni Attorney Sulaika at ni Attorney Poa. Kung maalala mo.
Nag-confirm naman. Can you, reaction po ni Attorney Sulaika?
Sinabi mo
Yes, they agree naman po that they
during
will...
the meeting, Mr. Witness, tinanong nila ano ang mga requirements para mag-submit ng documents para liquidation ng confidential funds, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi naman, ang sagot
They were referred to the joint circular po.
joint circular.
And sinabi din po ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras na in case merong makitang findings during the audit, ay mag-i-issue po ng AOM.
Okay. Nung sinabi ng Assistant Commissioner, basahin nyo na lang yung joint circular. Ano naman ang response nila?
Well, they asked po if instead of an audit observation memorandum in case may audit findings, ay audit query na lang po yung i-issue sa kanila.